There you go.
Yeah, let my mama do it.
Alright. I don't know if I was recording or not.
It's slow.
As slow as he is, he's gonna make it.
Get lockers, that's why. Yeah, long wheelbase.
Lockers. Well, here's your Jeep.
86.
Look at that. Look at that.
Yeah, they're real expensive.
He told me.
Alright, you're good there.
It's cheaper to buy a Rubicon.
I sold my Sport and I bought a Rubicon because it came with all that.
By the time you put all the stuff on
How much was your turnkey?
Mine was $1,300. I mean, not. I'm sorry, $13,000. It was for a 2003 two-door TJ Rubicon. My brother's the tan one.
Yeah.
His was 17. But that's the LJ is like yours. They're rarer and more expensive.